Yeah!
So another handy feature that FlipGrid has are these stickies. Look, you can click on a sticky note and you can type out what you wanted to say first before you start recording. You can type out what you wanted to say. I have a point to make about Cheez-Its. Whatever it is your response is going to be. And then you can put this over there so you can look at it and refer to it as you film your video. You can make as many stickies as you want. You can put them anywhere. I don't think they show up in your video. I think it's the equivalent to actually putting one of these on your computer screen. And that might help you organize what you want to say first.